Hello, you join me in Chernomorets. This is a seaside town here in the Black Sea coast of Bulgaria. It's about 24 kilometers from Burgas and less than 9 kilometers from Sozopol. This town is fantastic. The population is roughly 2.2 thousand people, but don't be swayed by that because during the summer months like now, it's far more lively. It's the beginning of July and you see people walking everywhere. You have bars, restaurants, cafes, things open in business. There's nice souvenirs here and it has a very nice cozy vibe. A lot of people use this as a seaside resort and the beaches are fantastic. I'm going to bring you throughout the town and just give you a glimpse of what you can expect here, and hopefully you feel inspired to come here before the summer ends.